all in place, everything was right. My ancient tribe of Enochuk is gonna sacrifice tonight. I hung the gloomy, hollowed skulls, I hung them low and high. But when I approached the altar, I forgot the sacrificial knife. Oh God of rain, oh God of thunder, oh God of Enochuk's left eye. Oh, all you other gods, my bad, I botched the sacrifice. I burned the bamboo torches, I set them all alight. I churned the lava cauldron and yelled into the sky. Everyone was watching, the whole entire tribe, and now they all think that I suck because our sacrifice survived. Oh God of sun, oh God of mountains, oh God of Enochuk's right thigh. Oh, all you other gods, my bad, I botched the sacrifice.